Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing Samsung weather app on apps screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if I go to my apps screen, I can't find Samsung weather app. Okay, you can see I can't find it. Even if I open my Samsung folder, I can't find it. Okay, so to fix it, just open your settings app and then scroll down to apps and then tap on it and then scroll down and find Samsung weather app. Okay, so here is that. So this is the Samsung weather app. So just tap on it and then tap on weather settings. Now come to show weather on apps screen, this option. So we need to enable it. So just tap on this toggle button to enable it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now enabled. And now if I go to my apps screen, okay, you can see here is the Samsung weather app and you can tap on it to open it. You can see it's now opened. You can find information about the weather. Okay, so that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.